Defamation is a legal concept that protects a person's reputation from false statements that harm their image in society. In simple terms, defamation occurs when someone makes or publishes a false statement about another person that damages their reputation in the eyes of others. Under Indian law, defamation is both a civil wrong and a criminal offense. Criminal defamation is defined under sections 499 and 500 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 499 explains what amounts to defamation. Section 500 provides punishment which may include imprisonment for up to 2 years, a fine, or both. Defamation can occur through spoken words, written statements, signs, gestures, or visible representations. When defamation is spoken, it is called slander. When it is written, printed, or published, it is called libel. In today's digital age, defamation can also occur through social media posts, online videos, blogs, or messages shared on digital platforms. However, not every negative or critical statement amounts to defamation. Truth is a valid defense if it is made for the public good. Fair criticism of public officials, public figures, or government policies is also protected under law. The law tries to balance freedom of speech with protection of reputation. For a statement to be considered defamatory, it must lower the person's reputation in the estimation of others. It must be communicated to someone other than the person concerned, and it must either be false or made with malicious intent. Making false allegations without evidence can result in legal consequences. Courts carefully examine whether the statement was made knowingly, recklessly, or with intent to harm reputation. Defamation laws exist to protect dignity, respect, and social standing. At the same time, these laws must not be misused to silence honest criticism or public discussion. Understanding defamation helps citizens communicate responsibly in both offline and online spaces. Freedom of expression is powerful, but it carries responsibility. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.